The 2 Tires Guide to the Michelin Pilot Power 2CT. There's that old saying that if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And that applies to the Power 2CT. Manufacturers usually replace a tire model after a few years, but the fact the 2CT is still in production over a decade after it was launched is a testament to how good this tire is. The 2CT is a sports tire, and 2CT stands for dual compound technology. This tire has a harder wearing central section and softer shoulders, so you get the best of both worlds. While you can buy more premium tires with the latest technology, the 2CT has all the grip you could need on the road for sporty B road blasts. One of the aces up its sleeve is the soft carcass, which allows for a fast warm-up time and lots of feel. Yes, they would struggle to keep with the latest sticky rubber on a track day, but they're more than capable of track day pace. In fact, if you ride a 100 bhp sporty bike on the road, you honestly don't need more. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website. Just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.